Hey everybody! Welcome to John's apartment in Chuo Ward of Tokyo. You are entering right into the sleeping area. There are two twin beds mushed up right here. There are two twin beds mushed up right here. And then there's an extra one which we are using for all of our backpacks and things because we are leaving to go to Taiwan tomorrow, and so things are going to be kind of a mess. So we're going to take you right into the living area. We would put our shoes here and put on slippers, or for the rebellious Americans, we'll just put on socks. This is the sitting area. There's a couch and two chairs. There's a small little closet right here that we're using. We use to dry some clothes and that kind of thing. Has some cleaning supplies, but that's it for the living area. Then I will take you into the smallest kitchen ever. You will notice that I cannot even spread my arms all the way out here in this kitchen. It's a tiny, tiny little galley kitchen. One little cooktop here, and then we also have one tiny sink here, and we have a microwave, and we have a teapot that will boil your water really quickly, and a very tiny refrigerator. But we are sorely missing the toaster oven. Makes us very sad. But this is it. This is a very tiny little kitchen. Now, I will take you into the bathroom without hopefully crushing Mitchell too much. Excuse me. All right, so this is the bathroom. It's very tiny, and we have the toilet area, and then we also have the shower / tub, which we have quite enjoyed. But something very important that I would like to show you is something that Autumn wrote about in her blog post. This is sort of the sound box that is above the toilet paper roll. I'm gonna push it. I think it's a little bit of a sad attempt at a babbling brook. Let's see what you guys think. I don't know. It's kind of loud and a little bit obnoxious, but I will tell you that we've gone to a few public places that have them, and they're already on when you go into the bathroom, and they're actually kind of nice. And one day, Eden and I were like, what is this sound? And we were like, it's birds. And Eden put her ear up, and she's like, it's coming from here. So then we figured it out. Like, they're babbling brooks. Anyway, it's an interesting bathroom addition. Hey everybody, so this has been our last video for Japan, and if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up below. If you haven't already done so, it would be great if you subscribe to our channel, because we have a lot more videos coming your way. In fact, we're headed to Taiwan after this, and then we're going to Hong Kong and Thailand, we're going to Cambodia, and many, many countries after that, so we have a lot more videos coming your way. And finally, if you specifically enjoy the apartment / home tours that we've been doing, then we have a special playlist here on our YouTube channel that you can go and check out. As always, thanks for following along on our journey, and we hope that you continue to enjoy our YouTube channel. Bye!